Hey guys, I'm Bree, and today I'm going to show you how you can add a Game Pass to your game in Roblox. Let's get started. So first what you're going to want to do is go to Create and click on Creations, and you're going to find the game that you want to add a pass for. So we're going to click Home Test. This is the game that I want to add a Game Pass for. So you're going to scroll down here where it says Passes. You're going to click on that, and you are going to click create a pass. So if you have a Game Pass idea, this is how you would implement it and incorporate it into the game. So what you're going to do, if you have a picture for it, you can change it. If not, that's okay. So we're going to call this pass test. So then we're just gonna add the description, which is just going to be random, just for fun. And then all you have to do is click create pass, and then you're going to click on it, and you can see sales. You can put the item for sale. You can have it available for 1 Robux. You won't get any income from it. This is also a great way to give Robux to your friend if they don't have Builders Club. If you want it to be 50, you will get 35. If you wanted it to be 100, you will get 70 Robux in return. Just depends on the overall price, because the creator earnings are going to be 70%. And then if you want to link this to something specific, you will have to do that in a way more complicated way, but this is just the initial how to even create a Game Pass to begin with. This was quick and easy. I hope you guys like this video, and if you want to see a more in-depth video of Game Pass creations, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!